After 2 nights in the Kingdom of Eswantini, sadly it's time to leave and go back to South Africa. We're heading to Kruger National Park, but before we leave, we'll visit the famous Glas factory and try some Swazi chocolate and see if it's as good as the Swiss. Again, thank you very much to everybody who's watching my videos, it means a lot, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and the most important thing, enjoy! Oh, so we've just arrived at the famous Swazi glass factory. You can see with the beautiful Swazi flag swinging with all its pride behind me. Here it is, let's go in. Just have to go up these steps to the factory and we can see how they make glass. Interesting. Didn't realise that's Swaziland's hottest tourist attraction. Quite impressive to see. They're very hot and you can walk all the way around and see everything. Yeah, quite impressive, but it's very hot up there. That's why it's the hottest tourist attraction in Swaziland. So now I'm at the bottom. Just if you go down the stairs, you're at the store where you can see the end product, and it's very amazing what these guys and women can do. Look at that crocodile. Whales. For the French who lost to South Africa. Glass and the quality and the detail in the things they make is just brilliant. So I bought a few things. One of the things was a giraffe cork. So a cork with a glass giraffe on it for my mum, as I know she likes her wine. And let's see what else you have. This beautiful place, I look just around it. Beautiful garden. We have a lot of different shops, so let's see. There's a chocolate store, which as a Swiss I have to go in and try. It is the handmade chocolate store. So I think I'll try a peanut butter Swazi chocolate and see if it's as good as the Swiss. Just one of these. So the one downside to the glass factory are the peacocks. They freak me out, especially when they open their feathers like that. They've got millions of eyes. No, but they aren't that bad. So, just got my peanut butter Swazi chocolate. Let's see if it's as good as the Swiss. And just learnt Ngiyabonga is thank you in Swazi. So yeah, let's see. Wow, the Swazi peanut butter chocolate's seriously good. They're giving Lint a run for their money. Oh, so as you can see, just got my passport stamp to leave Swaziland. So I've officially left the Kingdom of Eswantini. Sadly, it was a very interesting one. I don't know why, but small countries just get me. And now we're in the middle of no man's land. So walking into South Africa. Yeah, for some reason we can't go by, we have to walk, but that's the way it is. So right now we're in no man's land and soon we're back in South Africa, just up here. And now we're nearly back in South Africa. So coming back into South Africa, they've got banana ones. Never seen these before. I made take it back, I'd never seen banana ones before. And I've never seen condoms on a border crossing before, except for now between South Africa and Eswatini. Thanks for watching, much appreciated, and join me next time for when we go to the Kruger National Park.